Basically, the key witnesses in this case just weren't up to scratch. The evidence they gave just weren't good enough for this case to continue, and perhaps that's not surprising because both the key witnesses here are already serving life sentences for the killing of Anni Dewani here back in 2010. Zola Tongo, who was the couple's taxi driver that night, who staged the fake carjacking, and his accomplice, a man called Wamedoda Kwabe. Zola Tongo was given a plea bargain, a reduced sentence, reduced from 25 years to 17 in exchange for his testimony, and Wamedoda Kwabe also given a plea bargain in exchange for testifying against Shrien Dewani. They were the only two men who ever implicated Mr. Dewani in this crime. They said that on his honeymoon here back in 2010, he had approached Zola Tongo while his new wife Annie was checking into their hotel. He'd gone back out into the car park to talk to Zola Tongo, to ask him if he knew any way that he could have his new wife killed. Zola Tongo then went to a middleman, a third person, a man called Mbalombo, Monde Mbalombo. Mbalombo put him in touch with two people from a nearby township, Guguletu, who he said could carry out the job for him, who could have his wife killed. They then arranged that over the course of 24 hours, exchanging text messages, said Zola Tongo, planning to have Annie killed in a fake carjacking while they were driving through a local township here called Guguletu. Well, none of that was true. It was all made up, all lies, possibly to help them get a reduced sentence, get time off their prison sentences here. Shrien Dewani then had absolutely nothing to do with any of their plans. He was also an innocent victim in what was a brutal crime.